Alright guys, let's get into this 2015 Mega Tin. This is another tin that I've never opened before, so I honestly don't know what to expect. If it's anything like the last few, even though this has pendulum cards, or a pendulum monster on it, might not contain a lot of pendulum cards. But let's open this up and see what we can find. And if there's anything that's like really cool. I actually really like these Mega Tin packs, just the way they package these ones. They just look really cool. Let's open up the promo pack and see what we have. If it's just pendulum cards, which I'd be okay with. Ooh, we've got Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon, which is pretty awesome. Elder Entity Norden, which is pretty cool. And then Majesty's Fiend. I'm going to sleeve this Odd Eyes, because that looks pretty awesome. Now let's open up this first pack and see what we can pull. So we've got Lind Bloom, Toy Vendor, which is pretty cool. Cleamite Change, yes, Pendulum Shift, Shadal Squamata, which is a pretty cool print. Level Lifter. And then we have Phonon Pulse Dragon. That's a really cool artwork. Something I've never seen before. Night Dragolich. That's cool. Forbidden Scepter, which is pretty cool. Might add that to the side binder I'm making. Maybe not, but we'll see. Shadal Core, found off for our hollows. Battle Guard Howling, which is pretty neat. Fluffaleo, Sonata the Melodious Diva, Galaxy Dragon, Sylvan Cherub Sprout, and Shadal Hedgehog. It's not a bad first pack. Now let's move on to the second pack here and again see what we pull. We've got Sylvan Waterslide, Super Heavy Samurai Soul Bang Cannon, which is pretty cool. Super Heavy Samurai Soul Piercer, and the band played on. Water Balloon, or Wonder Balloons, Heliosphere Dragon. And we've got Traptrix Dionia, which is pretty cool, considering there is a Traptrix structure deck coming out in like a week at the time of filming this. Ooh, number 62 Galaxy Eyes Prime Photon Dragon. That's awesome. That's a good pull too, because photons or galaxy monsters are getting a bit of support in the brand new set. Pot of Riches, which is really cool. Then we've got C107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. It's really cool artwork on the card. Then we've got Shadal Hound, Bujin Sident, Super Heavy Samurai Soulfire Suit, Phantom Knights of Shadow Veil, Stellark Knight Alpha, and Laser Clip, which is pretty cool. Again, a lot of these cards I haven't seen before. Some of them I have, and it's either they've released in other sets or I've seen them on Master Duel. But a lot of these cards I haven't seen before. And then we've got Artifact, Bagel Tack. Raid Raptor Rise Falcon, which is really awesome. One of my favorite decks for sure. Battle Guard King, Command Performance, Fluffle Bear, Curse of the Shadow Prison, and then we've got Performapal, Kaleidoscorp, Metaphys Horus, Yazi, Evil of the Yang Zing, that's awesome. And then Pulau, Wind of the Yang Zing, which is pretty cool. And then we've got Performapal Friend Donkey, number 43, Manipulator of Souls, Soul Strike, Artifacts Unleashed, Artifact Fail Not, and Performapal Stamp Turtle to round off this 2015 Megatin. And again, I would probably say highlighted by the promo Odd Eyes. I have to check the rarity on this, but that is definitely a good collectible card. So I'm glad that came in the set. And like I said, some of these cards are new to me, some of these cards are not new to me, but really cool.